Hello everybody. Guess what? I got a mom box. I don't know what's in here. She said maybe not as many treasures as usual. And there's a pair of shoes in here for her visit. Because she is not bringing luggage. She's just bringing not even her carry-on, just her personal bag. So I'm sorry about the angle. I bought this new ring light for videoing, but the leg of it sticks out right here. So, and you can't rotate it, which I just find ridiculous. I've tried every which way to get it adjusted, and I cannot. So I really don't want to return it. It was only $20 and it works really well other than that, so I don't know. That seems like it was a design flaw and perhaps why it was only $20. Okay, Mom sends me her empty cereal boxes because I use those in projects, so that's fun. 100 Bible stories. Wow. That's an old one. I don't know how old. It doesn't have a copyright, but lots of pictures. I'm gonna have, I tend to not use a lot of religious stuff in my journals because I have mixed audiences and I'm sensitive to that. But I have a box going that I'm going to make just biblical or whatever religious ephemera lot for somebody. So that will probably go in there. This is cute. Almost a man. Oh, look at that spine. That's so cute. Oh. Don't know what year that one is either because that page is gone, but that's stinking adorable. All right, we're gonna have several of these. We got multicolored twine and the spindles that I wrap the twines on, and these will be available in my February 3rd shop update. So I just go through and wrap them all on the spindles and package them up. So they're fun. Mom's handmade twine. I love being able to sell those for her. Boy Scouts in Coal Caverns or Light in Tunnel 6. Another oldie. Super cute. Copyright 1913. You've been around a long time, honey. Number 2, Heartwarming Songs. Well, that's different. Never see red text like that. That's cool. Neat. Oh, the Scrabble word guide. So Mom's coming to visit and oh wow, look at that. Look at all those words. So a new word for my mom and I that I just learned the other day, and I asked her, I said, do you know this word? She's like, no, it's not in here. I'm gonna say it wrong. It's mirepoi. It's M-I-R-E-P-O-I-X, but it is in the Scrabble dictionary. So we're trying to use it and remember it so that we can play it if we get those letters. Anyway, some jingle bells. We got a jingle bell theme going this year for our family Christmas, and we're gonna do a game. Guess how many jingle bells are in the jar. So Mom's been sending jingle bells all year. Add to prizes for games. Will do. So the different games that we have for Christmas, we have little prizes. Oh, we got a banner. We got a banner. So this will also be available. I will put, oh, look at how pretty is that. I will put vintage ephemera in the pockets of these, and then they will go in my February 3rd sale. Beautiful as always. So here's a little pocket. A little vintage key up here. Another little pocket. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Great job, Mom. All right. Set that aside. More little fabric scraps for me. I do use these. I use them all the time, different projects. Okay, here's the shoes. Set those aside. Oh, it's a little black cat. Two of them. We have a little black cat. She's been with us almost a year now. We got her for my daughter's birthday last year. She's a little black cat, and her name is Nyx, N-Y-X. A little tea tag that says, "Let your thoughts give hope, guidance, and upliftment to all." I love that. More twine. Cool, cool. Alrighty. Wild rice. She asked if I was running low. This is cheaper in the Midwest than it is here, so she keeps me supplied. These are more spools for the twine. Oh, this was something she asked if I wanted, and I said yes. So my mom makes these drawings. This is hand drawn. This is not a copy. She did this whole thing with Sharpie. Is that stunning or what? And it's a pillow cover, so it's a fall pillow cover. And she had a couple left over from her sale, and she asked if I wanted one, and I'm like, well, yeah. So that's beautiful, and will go in my fall decor. Thank you, Mom. Some cute little trims here. More tea tags. I'm not sure what's happening here, but of course I will use it. Must have been some practice things she was working on. Love them. Little vintage buttons and all. This must be tea tags. Yes, this is full of tea tags. These are probably from Pam. My mom's friend Pam saves tea tags for me as well, which is awesome because I don't have any. I just drink loose leaf tea, so I don't have my own tea tags. Oh, this is really cute fabric. Look at that. I love that. Definitely use it. All right. She asked me if I wanted this word magnet poetry or whatever, and I said, yeah, I guess so. I love words, so I'll look through that and see what I can find out of there. A little map of New Zealand. Oh, look at this little tiny spool. Little wooden spool, how cute. This is like handmade paper. Oh, it's like a photo album, but with like handmade paper. That's really cool. And then little tissue paper in between. I'll definitely pull that apart and use it. Treasure chest of dances, old and new. Look at that. Wow. Fun. We can never have too much music. Okay, these. I love my mom so much. She took these out of her own stash of pans. Okay, I'm not gonna try and pull them apart right now, but I asked her if she had any pans this exact size because, you know, I like to store stuff in vintage pans. And I discovered that this size of pan fits perfectly in one of those paper shelves that, you know how they stack up? Well, this slides right in and acts like a drawer. And so, yeah, I'm pretty excited about having that for storage. Better salesmanship. You are in business for yourself. All right, this is cool. Cool little old book. Tire service. Car dealers. Fascinating. Little formulas in the back. Cute. All right. Vintage Lemons Bible Game. I mean, I can tell it's vintage by the box. Oh, those are kind of cool cards, huh? They're like little trivia cards. Fun. Another music book. It's a Boy Scout music book. Cute. Love that. 1941. Alrighty. And last but not least, music paper. Blank music paper. Love it. And another piece of cardboard. I find it really hard to believe that my mom bought and ate that kind of cereal. But you never know. I'll have to ask her. So, alright, that's it for this mom box. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.